Crews clearing debris in Taunton after strong winds peeled away sheets of a rooftop overnight. As workers cleaned up, even more pieces of the roof rained down, with gusts blowing debris down the street. The vacant building is part of a complex of old shut-down mills.
It was pretty crazy.
The wind also bringing down a tree in Middleborough, right across 5 parked vehicles at a daycare center.
Then all of a sudden we hear this big bang.
Denise Petronelli owns the facility where the tree came down, the vehicles all belonging to her employees. Luckily, they were inside.
Pretty upsetting and devastating, but again, could have been worse. It's not human lives, it's not, it's vehicles, so.
The vehicle closest to the tree, owned by a longtime employee whose last day is today.
I didn't want her to leave, but this is not how I wanted her to have to stay. Oh my goodness.
Strong winds causing more damage this scene in Fairhaven. A large tree is toppled, crashing on top of at least one parked car, leaving it damaged. A utility pole also was brought down. No word on any injuries. Back live here in Taunton, the building here that had the roofing materials come off the top of it, it is part of a huge complex of 6 buildings, all old mills. They've all been shut down for several years. City officials tell us that right now they're working with the developer to demolish the entire thing and convert them into housing. Live in Taunton, Sarah Conji, WCVB News Center 5.
All right.